Come test drive the 2006 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, tilt steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable headrests. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.